Hi everyone, it's Alicia and it's another Nifty Notion Wednesday. This week's Nifty Notion is a little stretching it, I guess. They're not your typical sewing notions. So my first thing is I love these command strip hooks. They have the metal hook thingy here, so it makes it easy to thread on my rulers. That's how I organize all of my rulers. I use these command strips and hook them up, and I can hold about 2 or 3 rulers on each hook, which makes it very nice. They're right here, right where I need them, right by my cutting and ironing station. I would highly recommend getting command strips if you don't already have some way to organize your rulers and you have the wall space to put them up. My next Nifty Notion for today, it's 2 for 1. I just absolutely love this little sewing machine, and surprise, it's a USB. So I use this to transfer files from my computer to my embroidery machine. My Bernina also does embroidery, and I just love that feature in it too. I've made several projects, especially for Christmas presents. It's great. So this little guy just plugs in right here. And I also keep them on my shelf for decoration. So it's a cute little Nifty Notion. If you want to see more Nifty Notions, make sure you subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. And don't forget, today's a great day to quilt.